Hi guys and welcome to the video. My name is Joseph Clank here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the top finance YouTubers to watch in 2022. Now the reason I'm sharing this list is because I am all about just expanding your knowledge, gaining new skills, and just learning. It is super important on the journey to financial freedom, and I want everybody to know this, that it is crucial. If you are not expanding your knowledge on the daily, weekly, whatever, chances are you're just going to stay into a stuck period. You always want to expand to other people, read books, podcasts, watch YouTube videos, or just overall research. And I think the best way to research is actually through YouTube videos, because other people are researching for the videos that they make, and you get different people's opinions, projections, what books they read. Sometimes they share those in videos, and I'm going to be doing some of that on this channel too. And just hearing other people's opinions and comparing them to yours and your beliefs and what you think is going to happen. And this is great if you're an active trader too in the stock market or crypto, or if you want knowledge on NFTs, side hustles, or just earning money online through any way, shape, or form. There's other people out there who do that research, who try those things, who invest in those things that maybe you want to invest in. And overall, I just think it's the best way. So I'm going to be sharing my list with you guys, and here it is. So this is in no particular order. This is just a bunch of YouTubers that I watch and research and listen to all the time, and I think all of them have a crucial piece of information that all combine into a great piece. So Vincent Chan, he is a high quality channel. He does everything from side hustles, crypto, NFTs, to just even market cycles. It's very important to watch these cycles and when we are shifting, because when there's a big shift in cycles, that is when you should probably be changing up your strategy and or portfolio, so you can be making money on both sides of these. Now, Humphrey Yang is also another person. Again, I'm going to be linking all these in the description down below also. He is a great place for beginners. He is super professional, and he simplifies everything into nice, short, digestible content. He started off on TikTok. I know he does YouTube Shorts, and he also makes long form videos. I follow him on all of those, and I honestly digest all of his content, and it's really good. He's very good at explaining things. It's very beginner friendly, so it's not like crazy language that you guys may not know. It's very consumable, and I absolutely love that, and I think that's the best place to start for beginners. And then you also have Stephan. So Stephan makes multiple videos a week on what the market is like, and he covers news sources. He does his own research and actually shares that to you in his videos, which I think is beautiful. He writes out his own scripts every single day. He is just overall on top of it. And he is actually one of the best channels to watch if you're an active trader, especially, because he is someone who's always up to date with the market, and that is very important. This ties into the next person who actually also started from real estate, which is Meet Kevin. He is very niche, so meaning that he used to do a lot of real estate videos. Now he shifted over to like active trading and market psychology. Reads the Fed statements on his channel, the earnings statements. He talks a lot about the market cycle, and he actually is somebody who made his own little market cycle chart, and I actually really love that and appreciate that, because that is super helpful to people who, like, you know, just don't know. His videos are a lot less edited, but overall I think it still is crucial and very important to watch him, because he is just so on top of it, and he consumes himself in the market, and he loves it. You can just tell. His content is very long form, and I just think he just makes it work so well. Like, I don't even know what any other way to say. He isn't afraid to share his opinions and overall what he believes in, and I think it's really crucial. Again, guys, if you just take a piece of each of one of these channels and look at the positives of it, you can say negatives about all these channels, you can say positive about all of them, but make sure you take a piece of these channels, connect them all together, and form your own opinions, your research, and your ideas. But I just think it's better, and I'll expand your opinions and ideas and research if you research other people too and watch their research. We have Matias. Although he's not a finance channel, he talks a lot about budgeting, minimalistic finances, and overall he's just a great channel, very high quality. He used to be a filmmaker, or still is a filmmaker, and you can tell he's a perfectionist because he works on his videos constantly. Now Andre Jick, he is also our next person on this list, and he is a massive crypto investor. So he's been investing in crypto and Bitcoin, I think 2016, 2017. So he's been in it for a while, and overall his style is very safe. He invests in form of crypto, and then he also does index funds, and really like only index funds for the most part, which is completely fine, because if you have a knowledge in one area, you can still make a lot of money. And he already has obviously a lot of money at this point, so being a safe investor isn't a bad thing. I think all of these combined together make a good investor. And then we also have Antononi. He is a small YouTuber, which I actually really appreciate. It makes it very authentic. And he talks about kind of a mixture of all of these things. He talks about the broader market cycles, Web3 and crypto and NFTs, side hustles, personal projects, personal finance. And I just think it's also another place for a great place to get people started into just personal finance or investing. And this actually brings us to the last person on this list, and his name is Brandon Evans, and he is the smallest channel on this list with only like 17k subscribers, but I love his videos. It's very informative. He goes into so much detail about what he makes a video on, and it just is great. You can tell he researches it a lot and spends so much time on it, and his channel has so much potential. I truly think and this year or next, you'll probably get 100k subscribers easily. He is a great channel. He talks about credit card churning, finance apps, index funds, retiring early, and overall just everything about the market. And I think that's great because personal finance is only a small portion about like the whole market and broader things. So having people who do personal finance, having people who are active traders, passive traders, crypto investors, NFT investors, beginner traders, or more advanced ones, all of these combine into a great active trader or passive trader, whatever you are trying to aspire to be. But overall, we all are just trying to retire early at this point. So I think you are going to need a piece of all of these in order to get there. But remember, guys, just remember to learn, and learn, and you guys will get there. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.